So we have seen in the last session, we have seen like creating a branch, and in that branch, so how we created a branch? Say we have a master branch with 4 commits. From the last commit, we created a branch, and in the new branch, the name of the new branch is a develop branch. In that we have given 1 commit. Now if I go to my GitHub, if I say git branch, sorry, it is project 1 local. If I say git branch, the current one is master, which is showing in green color, and develop is the another branch that I create. Suppose if I want to switch my current branch to develop branch, how I do? Checkout develop. Okay, now it is giving a message like switch it to branch develop branch. Okay, my current branch is develop. So if I now say git branch, now my current branch, see star, wherever star the green color is showing, that is your current branch. Okay. Now if I want to see how many commits have been in the current branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 commits, right? And 5 commits. So in the last commit, what we have done? We have added 2 files actually. If you see here, in the last commit, D and E, 2 files are committed. Now my current branch is develop branch, so that's why 2 files. So 2 files are coming, D and E. Now suppose if I say git checkout master, now it is giving switch it to branch master, and now here you see, now D and E are not there in this. So D and E are not there in this, only A, B, C are there. Okay, because in the current branch, which is master, D and E files are not committed. Okay. Now you see now in my current branch master, if I open here, in master I have only 4 commits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each you can represent this as a tree. Each commit can be represented as 1 node actually. Okay. So the branch can be represented as a tree. As a tree. Each node in the branch is a commit ID, is a commit ID. Okay. So this is your commit ID 1, commit ID 2, commit ID 3, commit ID 4. Now this is one tree. Now from this we created one develop branch. We created one develop branch. So this is this is commit ID 1. I'll say C1. Commit ID means commit ID 1. Commit ID 1. Commit ID 2. Commit ID 2. Commit ID 3. Commit ID 4. And then commit ID 5. And this is your master branch. till this part is your master branch. And this is your development branch. Develop branch, okay? Now develop branch, it will contain these commits plus this commit, because develop branch has been created from this. So it will contain these commits as a history, and it will also contain this new commit, but master branch only contains these 4 commits. So in this new commit, what we have done? We have committed d.java, e.java. In this new commit, d.java, e.java has been committed, okay? Now when I see the current branch, development branch, I can see these 2 files, d.java, e.java. Okay. But in master branch, you will not see these 2 files. Now I want to merge this develop branch to the master branch. So develop, merge, develop a branch with master branch. So when I merge develop branch with master branch, so that means in master branch, after merging, what will happen? In master branch, the new commit in master branch, commit ID 5 also will be, commit ID 5 also will be merged. So that means when I say merge develop branch with master branch, now after merging, okay, this we can say merging. So so now this will be merged. So where this develop branch is merged with master branch. Okay, this is your develop branch. So this is your develop branch. So this is your develop branch. So develop branch is merged with master branch. Now your master branch also will have this commit ID 5 after merging. So how we do that? Which is your current branch? Your current branch is master, right? Your current branch is master, right? So what I'll do is I'll just say, how I know current branch is master? I'll say git branch. Yeah, this is my current branch, master. Wherever this star indicates, it is current branch. Now, what I'll do is git merge. In the master branch, I'll merge the develop branch. So I'll say git merge develop. Now you see, I just say git merge develop. So when I say git merge develop, that means I'm merging the develop branch in the current branch. What is your current branch? Master branch. Now, if I see how many commits are there in my master branch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Earlier it was 4. Now the 5th commit also has been merged. The 5th commit also has been merged. Now, if you see, earlier in master branch, these 2 files are not there, DE. But now you see, in master branch also I can see DE now. Earlier this d.java, e.java were there only in the develop branch. But now it is there in master branch also, d.java, e.java. Because my current branch is master branch, so whatever the folder that it is showing d.java, e.java, it is there in the master branch. Even if I switch to develop branch also, d.java, e.java will be there. Okay. Now you see d.java, e.java is there. Now if I switch to master branch, okay, d.java, e.java, both are there. Okay. I told you, right? These are all we are achieving through commands, git commands. You should know. Okay, git merge. Okay. So if I give in the current branch, git merge the branch name. Okay. So example, if I say if my current branch is master branch, is master. Now when I say git merge develop, so what will happen now? So the develop branch is merged with master branch. So the develop branch is merged with master branch. Okay. So these are the commands. Okay. Now I'll tell you one more approach. That approach is called source tree. I don't know how many of you might have know about this tool called source tree. Okay. This is called source tree. Okay. You can download this from Atlassian actually. Okay. If you go here, Atlassian source tree. Okay. This is actually a GUI, free Git graphical user interface for Mac and Windows. Okay. Okay. For Mac and Windows. So this is a source tree, for example, where if you don't remember the commands, okay, we can use this source tree. This is a very, very good tool. You can download for Windows and you can install. Okay. So whatever you can use a user interface like this, and you can do commits. Okay. You can do all the things here. You can see the history of the commits. Just like how you are seeing the log here, like this, you can see in this user interface like this, the log. Okay. The log you can see like this. Okay. So Git graphical user interface is not that much friendly. So you can use this source tree. Say, for example, I will just close this. Okay. What I'll do is, I'll search for my local repositories. Okay. See, so what I'm doing, I am clicking on add here, add a repository. So this is my local repository, which in this folder path. In this folder path, this is my local repository, right? Here, this is the local repository, right? Here only I'm typing all the commands, right? So I'll just give that address here. So first click on this add and give this address here, that local repository, and click on add actually. Now if you see, if you click on add, now you see you are getting the log like this, you see? Just like if I type git log here, how you see all these commits, you can see these commits, and you see you have master branch and develop branch. You have master branch and develop branch. See, this is the first commit on 27th. Okay, this is the first commit on 27th, and second commit 27th only, 233, 239, 242, 257, and in 28th today I merged both master and develop. So now both are merged actually. So after merging, this master and develop is this. Your current branch is this master, and your head represents this one. Head represents the last commit of the current branch. So head represents the last branch of the current branch. So this master and develop. So today I have committed, right? 244. No, not today. I think. So 28th means on Thursday, but the merge actually is not showing here, because now see, merge will not be showing as a new commit. Okay. they will both merge actually. So now both master and developer are merged. Okay. Now suppose let us do one thing. What I will do is, I will actually from the command prompt, you can do actually from UI also, I'll show you. Let me, in my develop branch, I'll check it one more new file. Okay, I'll just say, F. This is a new file. I'll say F in F class. Okay. Now, I'll just say git add. I'll show you from source tree also, but I'll just show you this. Next, git commit m. This is another test file, something like this also. Okay. Now I'll just go to this. Now you see, automatically now you see whatever the commit that I show, see develop is showing this one and my master is still this one. In the develop, new commit has happened, which is you see f.java. You see at the bottom. You see at the bottom my mouse cursor f.java, and this is the new file that I committed, f.java, and this is the new commit, latest commit in the develop branch. And my current branch, you see here, it is showing on the left hand side, develop, which is highlighted in gold color, the circle. This is the current branch. And my master is actually, which is in this. Okay, this is my f.java. So this is another test file I'm getting here. This is a new develop branch. I mean, this is a new file that is committed now. Now I can merge now, right? So I can merge now master, develop with master again. So how I'll do? I'll say like this. Again, I'll check out master. Now current branch is master. I'll say git merge develop. Git merge develop. Now you see, now master and this one is this one. It has to refresh it one. Yeah, now you see, master and develop got merged. Now master and develop are showing at the same level. Same level. This is the new command. Okay, the same thing how I have done here from the command prompt, I'll show from Git also. Let me add now in my in my develop branch one new file and again merge with master. So let me switch to current branch develop. How I'll do is, see in command prompt you have to use git checkout develop, right? Instead of using this command in my source tree, what I'll do is I just double click on this. Just go to the develop branch, double click on that. Now your current branch is developed. Okay. Now what I do is I just create a new file G. I'm showing through source tree without using commands. Okay. I'll create a new file called g.java. So g.java. Now what I'll do is now you see this is in unstaged files now currently. Now first what I'll do git add dot, right? Using command, how I'll do git add dot. That is moving to staging file. Now without using command, you can use the user interface. How you'll do? You select this file, stage all, or if it is one file, you can select stage selected or stage all also. Okay, now it has been added to staged files. You see, it has been added to staged files. Now after git add dot, what you'll do git commit, right? The same thing now here you do through user interface. Go to your commit and you'll give the message. So this is new test file, new test G file. Click on commit here at the bottom. Now you see in develop, you got this new file. But in master, you have the old commit. Okay. Now your develop branch, your develop is this branch. Your develop is this branch. Now you want to merge the develop branch with master. If you want to merge any branch with the current branch, you have to switch that current branch now. Now I want to merge develop with master. So then I have to switch my switch my current branch to master. How I can do? Double click on this. Okay, that's all. Now just click on this merge. Okay, so just click on this merge. Just 1 minute. Now you see, now master and develop got merged. Okay, all these are in local repository. Nothing has been moved to remote repository. This is all in local repository. Now you see, master has been committed to develop. See, without using the commands, I can use this graphical user interface. Okay, to when you click on commit and all. I'll tell you what is this pull push fetch when I tell you about the remote repository. This will be useful when we connect to remote repository. But till now, commit and add we have seen now. Okay. See how simple. Again, I'll show you one more file to commit so that you'll get practice. So let me now switch to current branch develop. Now current branch is master. I'll know how to switch to current branch develop. Just double click on this. Now my current branch is developed. Now copy this file. In H class. I'll just rename this to H. Okay. Now my current branch is develop branch. Now you see unstaged files. H.java is there. This is a new unstaged file. So what I first have to do, I have to now select this stage all. It is equal to, so this button. Let me again go here. See this button. So this button, this button is equal to git add dot button. Whatever you type here, that is equal to this. Okay. Now on this button. Okay, let me. Okay, let me stage all. Now this button commit is equal to. So this button commit is equal to git commit minus m, whatever the message that you type. Okay. So now let me now commit it. So this is new test H file. Click on commit. Now you see in develop, new file has been committed, but in master it is. Now I want to merge now master with develop. So what I'll do, I have to merge develop with master. So switch again current branch to master. Double click on this. Okay. Now click on this merge button. Now my current branch is master. Now click on this merge button. Which branch I have to merge? This develop branch. Select this, and click on OK. So this is equal to git merge command. whatever I click on this is equal to git merge command. Now you see master and develop got merged. So this is equal to git merge command. So this is equal to git merge command. Merge command. Okay. You can also create a branch from the source tree. In git command, how I do? We use this command, right? Git branch. The name of the branch from the, so it will create a branch from the current branch. I give some name of the branch. So this is equal to git branch. This one. Git branch command. Okay. Is equal to git branch command. Okay. So this is how. So it is very easy if you can remember this source tree usage. Okay. Now what we will do is the most important problem we get in merging while merging one branch with other branch is actually conflicts, which we call it as merge conflicts. So what you mean by merge conflict is, I'll tell you. Say, let me do like this. Say, you have one branch. Just 1 minute, I'm getting some messages. 1 minute. Let me reply to those messages. Just 1 minute, I'm getting few messages. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I got few messages I'm getting. So yeah. So let me do like this. So let me take two branches. This is your master branch. In master branch, how many commits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 commits are there. Let me put 8 commits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 commits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 commits are there. Now your develop branch also has 8 commits, right? This is your master branch and also develop branch. Now both are pointing to the same. Both your master branch and develop branch, same. Okay. Now, let me do one thing. In my develop branch, currently now, let me do some changes to h.java. What is your current branch? Let me switch to develop branch. Current branch is develop. Do some changes to h.java. I am doing some changes in h class modified. I'm just doing some change here. Okay, in the develop branch. So now you see this is the staged, unstaged files. See, this is the change. See, it is showing, the source tree is showing which change has been done in h class modified. Earlier this was the line and this line has been modified. You see, minus indicates this line has been removed, plus indicates this line has been added in h class modified. Okay. Now what I do, I just select stage selected. Next, click on commit. So this is the new modified line of h.java. Something like this. Okay. I just click on commit. That means now your develop branch is not this one. Your develop branch, I'll indicate this with the blue color. This is your develop branch. So this is your develop branch. And this is the new commit. New commit in the develop branch. What is a new commit now? A new commit happened in h.java. A new commit happened in h.java. But your master branch is still this commit. And this is your head actually, because this is your current branch now, and this refers head. Now, what I do is, again I switch back to master branch. I switch back to master branch. So when I switch back to master branch, I can double click on this. You can use git command also, git checkout, or you can just double click on this. Okay, so if you use source tree. Now my current branch is master. Now go to your h.java. Here also I'll modify some line here, the same. In the same part of the line h.java, I modify something else. Modified one, something else. Now I commit now. Now this is in master branch actually. Okay, in master branch. Again, stage all. Next, commit. So this is new change in h.java. Okay, I'll do commit. Now fine. Now if you see here, my master also has been moved forward. My master, this is master. Now going forward, this will be the latest bit. So this will be master. This is the new commit. So this is the new commit. Where it has been done in the same h.java. Same h.java. New commit. Now, when we try to merge now this develop branch in the master branch. Now we see what is happening, what we'll do now. We see. Let us try to merge. I can use the git command also. What is git branch now? Your current branch is master. Okay, git merge. I can do from source tree or I can do from here. Now I'll try to merge develop into master branch. Now you see, you are getting a conflict. You are getting a conflict. Auto merging h.java conflict, merge conflict in h.java. So you got a conflict. If you see how you got a conflict here, now you see, you are trying to now merge these two. You are trying to merge these two now. You are trying to merge develop branch with the master branch. That means you are trying to merge with this one with this. But this h.java, what is the change it is having? If I go here, let me check out. Okay, this h.java, if you see here, this is the change I have in h class modified. This is the change I have. This is the change I have. Okay, this is the change I have in h.java. In master, what is the change I have? On the same line. So this is the change I have. So this is the change I have. Now you see, now merge conflict will come when you are trying to merge one branch with other branch if both branches changes are at the same line of the file. Same file. At the same file, same line of the code. At the time you will have merge branches. So merge conflicts will come. Conflicts will come if on two branches will come. If on two branches, okay, changes happen on same file and same line of code. Then merge conflicts will happen. Now you see, now in my develop branch, I have h.java in one line of code I have changed. And in the same line in master branch, I have the another change, but in the same line of code. So now your Git will get confused that which line it has to, whether it has to retain this or this. That means conflict is happening because on the same line of code, you have two different print statements here. So now in order to solve this, first we have to resolve this merge conflict. So how we have to resolve? So first we have to resolve it. So let us go to resolve it. So we have to think like, say, I don't want develop branch. I don't want master branch thing. So I want only the develop branch, this line. I don't want master branch change. Or I don't want develop branch change. I want master branch like that. Okay. Now click here, merge. Now click on develop. Okay. Now see, you now have merge conflicts by rule that needs to be resolved. You can just be selecting the conflict lines and using the options under the resolve conflicts menu. Okay, now how we can do now, you see here. So let me stay selected here. Commit. Okay. Now you see, your develop has been merged to merge branch. See now your this is there and both are added. Otherwise, you can also resolve only one file. You can commit that and merge it. In that way also you can do that. Or what you can do is I can bring this. I can bring like this. So reset current branch to this commit. Okay, discard all working copy changes. I can get like this. Now you see, now master and develop have been done. Okay. So suppose I can see, I can just reset current branch to this. Now master develop. Now you see, now I want to bring master to develop or develop to master. So what I can do, reverse commit. Okay. I'll just show you 1 second. 1 second. I'll just show you 1 second. Let me change this. So what I do is, this is my current branch, right? This is my current branch. My current branch is master. I'll just say modified. So let me commit this. Okay, this is h.java commit. Okay, so master is there. Now, now I want now develop to get merged with master. So what I do, I just say what I'll do, merge. So I'll just develop this. Okay. So now you see, now develop has been merged to master. It is just like you can play around like this. See, only thing is, now you know when the conflict will occur. So you have to resolve the conflict in such a way that depends on your choice. Whether you can bring both changes in sync. Okay. And then commit the file. Like that you can do like that. Now you see develop has been merged to master. Okay. That's what, see, conflicts, that's what I'm telling. So merge conflicts, how you can do is, you can, see, what you can do is, so whenever you get a conflict, you actually, say, suppose whenever you get a conflict between master and development branch, so what you can do, suppose you have a.java in master branch. So you have like this system dot something like this, or let me do like C equal to A plus something like this, a line like this. Now a.java, same develop branch, you have C equal to A plus B plus 1, something like this. Now merge develop to master. So whenever you merge develop to master branch, you will get conflict definitely. Conflict will come. So now whenever conflict comes now, what will happen is, you have to resolve now. How you have to resolve? Either, so you are trying to, either you have to in the develop branch, you have to change this line. Instead of A plus B plus 1, you have to copy this part as it is here. So that merging becomes easy. Okay, merging becomes easy. Okay. Or you have to change this part, copy part to here. Okay, you have to see. At last, only one line, one piece only should be changed. Either you have to agree with master branch or you have to agree with the develop branch. You can copy here and merge, so that merge becomes easy. See, at a time, this line and this line should be equal. Either you have to copy this to here or either you have to copy this to here, so that merge conflict can resolve. Okay. Suppose when you copy this to this part, that means your master branch now is changed. Again, you have to commit this master branch. A new commit will happen. Now you can now merge these two here. You understood, right? See, logical, just to follow simple. See, suppose my master branch is this one, my develop branch is this one. Now copy C equal to A plus B plus 1 to master branch code. A.java. So create a new commit in master branch. And then merge with the develop branch. So this is one scenario. No, don't worry about that reset. I just played something. I just played with that something that if I want to explain you, it will take a lot of time. That I played actually. That is not an explanation. I played just to reverse back to do some reverse changes. That you will get habituated when you actually work, when you play with source tree. You have to play with that. It is not that like kind of an explanation. If you play with that, you'll get lot of options actually. But you should know the basics. That's all. What I'm trying to focus you is on to know the basics of all this. See, whatever I've done in the source tree, like this reset and all this, I played actually. Okay, don't worry about this. This is just to reset some changes. Okay. So this is how you can resolve the merge conflict. So how to create a new commit again? You have to do git add and git commit. Okay, you have to give like this. See, this is all we have done only with the local repository. Tomorrow we'll do with remote repository. Okay. Correct. That is correct. Yes. Okay. So anyone is having any doubts? Clear? So download the source tree. You can play with this. Okay. All right then. Thank you all. Any questions? Any doubts till now? Please once repeat again the basics tomorrow again. No. See, if I keep on repeating the basics, I cannot move forward. I have to complete the course. Okay, you have to take the running notes and you have to follow the daily classes. Right? Because I have repeated so many times. How to reverse from staging to unstaging. I told you, right? Git revert is there, or from source tree also, you can do that. See, I will click an add button. See, just I'll say stage selected. Now, if you want to unstage it, select this and unstage select it. This is one way, or git revert also. I told you, right? One session I told you. See if you see here, git reset. Git add is staging area, git reset is back. Git commit is stage to local repo. All right then. Okay then, thank you all. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you all. Yeah.